Happy Tax Franchising presents the weekly industry strategy session. Here's CEO Mario Costanz.
Hi, I'm Mario Costanz, also known as the Problem Solver. I'm the CEO of Happy Tax Franchising. Thank you for joining us. On this week's session, I'll answer a question from Harry from Dallas, who asked what options are available to him as the owner of a tax practice that he wants to wind down. Harry has 532 tax clients and has been in business for 22 years. He still loves the business, however, his workload is getting to be a lot. He has long-lasting relationships with most of his clients, even down to knowing their families and children and stories. He doesn't want to abandon them, as many are friends and have trusted him for years or decades. He has actually stopped taking on new clients 2 years ago, even though he still gets plenty of referrals. Harry, you have a couple of options. First, you can continue on as you're doing now, manning your appointments, nurturing your client relationships, preparing the tax returns, and overseeing your assistant. It's unfortunate to say, however, I have known many in the tax business who have literally died and never got a chance to enjoy the benefits of working so hard for so many years. Clearly, that's not your goal, or you wouldn't have emailed me. Second, you can sell your tax practice. Typically, a tax practice sells for between 1 and 1.5 times revenue. So for example, if your revenue is $100,000, your practice should be worth between $100,000 and $150,000. In some cases, the buyer would want the deal to be contingent upon retention. That's a sticky subject, as some clients will leave as they're used to doing business with you, Harry, and others may not want to do business with the buyer. Or the buyer may not run the business in the same way that you do. However, from a buyer's perspective, there is always a fear that the seller could sell them the tax practice and then continue working the clients, which is just not cool. So there lies the negotiation, finding a balance between what is fair for both parties. Additionally, most buyers will want you to carry back financing and pay you off over a number of years, which could be hard to collect if they don't do as well as you do. Third, you can become a Happy Tax franchisee and still maintain your client relationships and not have to do any of the nitty-gritty tax preparation work itself. All Happy Tax returns are prepared by licensed CPAs and have free audit protection included with every return. That way, your clients will still get to meet with you and give you the documents, talk about the year they had, and reminisce about old times. Yet, you don't have to worry about doing the tax prep work or processing and filing the tax returns. And our royalties are the lowest in the business. And you get to remain autonomous, and you'll get our industry-leading support and marketing to add to your expertise. Have a wonderful and productive rest of the week, and take care. For more information on Happy Tax, go to gethappytax.com or email me at mario@happytax.com. Happy Tax. Smile. It's time to file.